Hi guys, this is Ramon Arciniega, sales professional with Permian Ford. Thank you for browsing our inventory.
Car Story research indicates this vehicle as being priced below the average market price, loaded with features. Features also include keyless ignition, heads-up display, hands-free Bluetooth integration. With these ratings,
take a ride in the 2016 Chevy Tahoe. Tahoe has been the best-selling sports utility vehicle, accounting annually for more than 25% of all full-size SUV registrations in the United States. This vehicle has less than 65,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: tow hitch, heated mirrors, electronic stability control, alloy wheels, aluminum wheels, power liftgate, brake assist, traction control, daytime running lights, remote keyless entry. Wouldn't you look great in this vehicle? Stop in today and see for yourself.
Here's another high-quality vehicle with a Carfax Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the Carfax Buyback Guarantee.
Thank you for browsing our inventory. If you have any questions, please give us a call at 575-393-6177.